Unlock the hidden potential within your spreadsheets by transforming raw numbers into actionable insights with custom calculations in Excel pivotables. First, ensure you have your data organized in a table format. This is crucial for creating a pivotable. Let's say we have sales data including product, quantity sold, and cost. Our goal is to calculate the profit margin for each product. To begin, click anywhere within your data table, then navigate to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon and click on the Pivotable button. The Create Pivotable dialog box will appear. Excel usually guesses your data range correctly, and it's generally best to select New Worksheet. Keep your analysis separate from your raw data. Click OK. You now have a blank pivotable and the Pivotable Fields pane. This pane shows all the columns from your original data. To build our basic pivotable, drag your desired fields. For example, drag product to the rows area to list each product, then drag sales and cost to the values area. You'll see the sum of sales and cost for each product immediately. Now, for the magic, we want to calculate profit margin in the Pivotable Fields pane. Click anywhere within the values area where your summarized data is displayed. This will typically bring up a small drop-down. Within the Pivotable Fields pane, right-click on either of the existing value fields like sum of sales and select Value Field Settings. Alternatively, you can click the small arrow next to the field in the Values area and choose Value Field Settings. In the Value Field Settings dialog box, switch to the Show Values as tab. This is where we'll create our custom calculation. From the Show Values as drop-down, scroll down and select Calculated Field. This opens the Insert Calculated Field dialog box. In the Insert Calculated Field dialog, first give your new field a clear name, like Profit Margin. Then, in the Formula box, you'll enter your calculation. You can type it directly or, more easily, select fields from the list on the left and use the operator buttons in the middle for our profit margin. We'll use the formula sales minus cost. Double-click sales from the fields list, type a minus sign, then double-click cost from the fields list. Your formula should now read equals sales cost. Click the Add button to confirm. Click OK to close the Insert Calculated Field dialog, and then OK again to close the Value Field Settings. You will now see a new column in your pivotable, showing the profit for each product, but we want the margin as a percentage. Right-click on the Profit Margin field in the Values area of the Pivotable Fields pane again. Go back into Value Field Settings for Profit Margin and select the Show Values as tab. From the Show Values as drop-down, choose % of sales. This will correctly calculate the profit margin as a percentage of the total sales for each product. Click OK and observe, your pivotable now clearly displays the profit margin for each product, giving you a much deeper analytical insight into your sales performance. This technique is invaluable for uncovering trends and presenting your data with clarity.